Hari Om, welcome to Himalaya Siddhi Kriya Yoga. Generally, we get doubts about gurus, sadgurus, and even about gods. Yes. One sequence in Dattatreya Charitra. One person asked Dattatreya, he met him on one occasion. Dattatreya was sitting amidst many sages. Pingalinga, a Maharshi's son, approached him and asked. That boy asked Dattatreya directly, Lord, I do not understand you. You roam around naked, smeared with ash like a sannyasin. Yet there are times when you are seen with wine and women like a grihastha. You are detached and yet you seem attached. What are you? Which ashrama do you belong to? You do not participate in any ritual. Yet your diksha is blindingly powerful. See how deeply and detailed he is asking his doubt. Sometimes you are in meditation like a sage. Sometimes you roll on the ground like a beggar, unconcerned with the dirt and filth. What are you in reality? He got doubt. This is Purna Shakti of Dattatreya, or enlightened. He is God, Jagat Guru. Dattatreya means Jagat Guru. He is having the truth of Jagat, total universal truth he is having. He is beyond also. He is within, he is beyond. So, what way he can settle, fix himself? He himself God. God, we cannot fix God. But our satisfaction we are fixing to one form and one name. But God cannot be confined and fixed. So here Dattatreya also Sakshat Bhagavan. So this boy, with curiosity he asked, sometimes you are living like very enlightened and very beyond. Sometimes you are like beggar. Sometimes you are taking wine, you are living with women and other things we are seeing. So what is your sampradaya, what is your system? He asked. Because when God take avatara, so he has to deal all the levels of people, to satisfy some people, to educate some people, to create awareness in some people, different activities, different angles. So Dattatreya is Purna Avatar. That's why he is not at all. They never lived in particular form, particular action, particular style of living. Sometimes we will get doubt also. Are they genuine? Like that also. This boy straight away asked him. He asked, "What are you in reality? What is your reality? I am not able to understand." Dattatreya smiled and replied, you see, listen very carefully. The four ashramas of life, Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyasa, are the four stages in an individual's evolution. Every person, if he wants to get enlightenment, spiritual enlightenment, all these ashram dharmas he must follow. Four ashram dharmas: Brahmacharya and Grihastha and Vanaprastha. Before going to Sannyasa, Vanaprastha is there, and finally Sannyasa. Four stages in an individual's evolution. Evolution is a product of time. Yes, as per the time, this as evolution develops I am beyond time. I am not confined to time. You cannot limit me with the time. I am the timeless also. I am beyond time. I am timeless also. I do not need to follow the ashramas. No ashrama dharma. Yes. Rituals are for the purpose of concentrating the energies of body and mind. Why we have to do puja and all these things? To develop concentration. To develop concentration of an energy of body. Body, you have to understand body and mind. For that these rituals will help us. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha. We can make them to involve in the activity, so we can develop right strong concentration so as to transcend both. So while doing rituals and connecting with the energies of body, mind, why means to transcend of both of them, to transcend. I am not the body or the mind. I am beyond. He is telling, I am beyond. I am not body, not mind. I am the transcendent. Already I am just. Sannyasa is the preparation for merging with the truth. Why we have to take sannyasa means to merging with the truth, to become, to realize the truth. To realize the truth, that's all. Without sannyasa sthiti, that is a stage. So if you don't experience that stage and invite that stage status, you cannot know the truth. It is liberation from the mundane to aid in the search for the changeless eternal. Yes. Is all this worldly life, karmic life, everything we have to cross, no? To cross we must know the truth. That's what he is telling. I am the changeless. For me, no change. I am beyond all ashramas, ashram dharmas. Yet I am in all these. I am beyond and I am also these things, all everything. That's why sometimes I will maintain them, sometimes I will go beyond them. That is what Avadhuta Sampradaya and our Datta Sampradaya, our Vitlanda Saraswati Maharaj taught us. We must become beyond, and if required, let us live in the moment, live with the people, give understanding to them about the truth. That is what. I am in all these. I am Guru. I am Shishya. Yes. I am Guru also. I am Shishya also. I don't worry to learn anything. I am learning. That's why Dattatreya told 24 Gurus are there for me. He told 24 Gurus. How? Yes, every moment, everywhere he finds that Guru Tattva. That is how we have to follow like that. I am also beyond both also. I am Guru, I am Shishya, and I am beyond both also. So what is beyond both? Godliness. I am the Sarva Sakshi, witnesser. See, Sarva Sakshi. Witnessing everything as it is, without attachment. The eternal witness. Sarva Sakshi means eternal witness. My roles change according to your needs. That is what this Datta Sampradaya tells. My role changes according to your needs. When one person comes with some particular need, role will change. Sadguru's role will change. If he is having kama vasana, he will change his status and he will express and he will discuss about kama vasana and give him understanding. If he is lobhi, he will talk about the miserliness and everything like that. My roles change according to your needs. No role can hold me. We are not confined to any role. Just time to time, roles will be changing. Sometimes suddenly one role for some time, for few hours or for a few days in one role. After some time, another. Not confined to any role. No role can hold me. I am the all-pervading consciousness. I am the consciousness of the universe, of the existence. I am the truth. I am the truth. That's what Dattatreya told you. See, this is what Jagadguru Tattva, Jagadguru philosophy of Jagadguru, like that. So, how our Guru Parampara is trying to educate us and enlighten us about the truth of life, truth of God, truth of this thing. That's why we should not believe our eyes, should not believe our ears, should not believe your mind, thoughts, danger. They will change, they will mislead you, they will divert you. You believe your heart, you follow your heart, awareness, concentration and awareness and consciousness. That is what our Sampradaya is telling. That's why Dattatreya means he is beyond everything. He can be everything, he can be nothing. No vikaras, no mamakara. Yes, that is how this Datta Sampradaya, Sadguru Sampradaya, Avadhuta Sampradaya is going on, our parampara. We are so fortunate to become part of this Avadhuta Dattatreya Sampradaya. Our Sadguru Vitthalananda Saraswati taught me many things. He is giving me, still he is giving me. He is beyond body. He is giving me understanding and truth. Thank you. I love you. All the best.